Show him.
What
Show
is it?
mommy.
Chocolate.
Say it's a chocolate bunny. No, eat it. Put it in your mouth. Yeah, there you go. Oh.
Okay, that's a big enough bite.
You gotta chew that bite, right? Is it good? Is it delicious? I think Sissy wants some. Look at her. Oh, that's so nice. Let Sissy take a bite. Oh, she just got bib.
She only ate her bib.
Oh, thank you, Jackson. That's good. Thank you for sharing.
Good share.
That's the stick. Yeah.
You don't want to eat that. After you get a taste of chocolate, I don't think she wants to go back.
Bye-bye.
You want to say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Show him your chocolate mouth. Go cheese.